for class 12 students. After the midterm exams, this is the right time to join the pre-crash course which we start every year in the month of October. We make sure that you get your customized timetable for the entrance exam preparation so the board's preparation does not suffer. Both the things go hand in hand because for every top college you have the entrance exam preparation, the aptitude preparation. Only the plus 2 marks will not do good. Your subject knowledge, that is what exactly you guys have to do, along with the aptitude preparation. So in our pre-crash course, we provide you the career counseling, one-on-one career counseling, so we can look at your strengths and weaknesses. We also provide you the form filling assistance, as the form filling for the top colleges of India have already been started. So like every year, we would like to ensure this year also that our students should land in the top colleges of India. For more details, you may contact us, you may call us or visit us. The pre-crash course is available offline as well as online also. Thank you so much.